Can an LLC invest in other companies? Yes, an LLC can invest in other companies. It can buy stocks, bonds, or membership interest in another LLC, or even acquire an ownership stake in a corporation or partnership. The income from those investments belongs to the LLC and must be reported on its tax return. This strategy is common for holding companies where an LLC's main purpose is to own shares or interest in other businesses. It's also used by investors who want the liability protection of an LLC while managing multiple investments. The operating agreement should clearly state how investment decisions are made, especially if the LLC has multiple members. This avoids disputes over how profits are handled or reinvested. Zen Business can help you form an LLC and structure it properly if your goal is to invest in other businesses. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.